Hello and welcome to today's episode in my business series. I have just come back from a 22-day long tour with my Billionaire Client. We went to Italy, France, London, had a stop in Belgium, and I met a lot of trainers over there, a lot of people from the fitness industry, and they were like, wow man, we really love the kind of work you're doing, your website, your experience, your education, you're doing superb. And I thought I have to share this with my fellow Indian fitness trainers. That why is it that only few handful of trainers like me land up doing what I am doing? Why not you? You have to understand this. Am I doing something different that you are not doing? If I am doing something different, I will share it with you. Now, think about it like this. When these celebrities and billionaires roam around with trainers like me, you know how much it costs? I mean, if they go there and just hire a trainer for say $500 an hour, $1,000 an hour, it will still cost them less than traveling with us. Okay, I'm flying private with him in his jet. Still, the travel, the food, the accommodation, the daily allowance, over and above the pay package, it costs a bomb. Why do they do it? What do they get by doing it? Hear this. Now, what happens is, see, I will break this into 3 points and explain it to you. You have to understand the essence of it, and you have to understand how can you incorporate this in your life, in your work. Number one, when they hire somebody like me and they train, first things first, confirmed result. There is no ifs and buts about this. Confirmed result, whatever that is, weight loss, weight gain, just forget it. They are in shape. They will get in shape. And so the kind of technical knowledge, the kind of technical genius that you have to be in your area of work has to be at the top. There can be no compromise in it. You have to be so technically specific. You got to know it all. And for that, if one certification here and one certification there is not going to help you, you have to be into this full time. I mean, there should be nothing else than you studying, learning, watching videos, hearing audiobooks, reading books online, reading books offline, nothing other than this. You have to be a walking, talking encyclopedia on fitness. Everything, biochemistry, anatomy, physiology, you ask, you name it, you should know it. You should know how the human body works at its best. Only when you are that damn precise with your technical knowledge, it is a known thing. It is an assumed thing that if I train with this guy, results is like I don't even have to bother about it. This comes first, and this is what every trainer can do. Now comes the main point. This many can give, many. Once you've learned it, you'll be able to give it. Then what happens? Why few like me? Why not everyone? Because it is not about just the result. It is not about just the training. It is about the experience. It is about the experience. It is about having that personal trainer next to them. That is what few trainers like me have really learned how to give. Wake up in the morning, I have my trainer next to me. I want to go for a run, I have my trainer next to me. I want to lift weights, I have my trainer next to me. Functional training, kickboxing, yoga, tai chi, pilates, you name it. The kind of experience, my trainer knows me best. Nobody else can train me the way my trainer can train. Worthy of keeping with me, well educated, well groomed, knowledgeable, presentable, well spoken. That kind of experience is what fitness training is all about, because it is not just physical, it is beyond the physical. Can you provide something which is beyond the physical? Ask yourself this, and with that comes the value that you bring to the table. If you have to bring this kind of value to the table, have you worked like that on yourself? You remember that fitness series for fitness trainers that I made in Hindi in my YouTube channel? The first episode, I explained it to you in a triangle. Physical, technical, tactical, biomotor abilities. Physical. Have you kept yourself in that kind of physical shape? You don't need to be ripped, veins popping out. No. Fit. Have you kept yourself where somebody looks at you and like, trainer? Bas, enough. Technical, are you content? Do you have a 5-year plan with you done and ready? I have, even now for 2023, 24, 25, 26, 27. I have a full plan kept every year what to do. Have you worked yourself on your technical skills in that way? This certification, after that this degree, after that this therapy course, after that course, now this I will do, now that I will do. Continuous upgrade. Technical, tactical, business, sales, marketing, PR, upselling, how to get client retention, how to keep them, what are the do's, what are the don'ts, or the entire business, the networking. Are you working on that? Physical, technical, tactical, biometric, specialization within the field. Have you decided that whether I will be trainer to the classes? Only celebrities, billionaires pay me a bomb. Will I be a trainer for the masses? Where I have 100 clients, 500 clients, I have trainers under me doing training, continuous coming, all online, everything is put, what goes offline, what goes on. Have you done all this? Have you groomed yourself in a way where somebody feels worthy of that kind of money? Worthy of him flying with me on my private jet? Worthy of him spending that kind of money and keeping him with me wherever I go? Do celebrities feel like that when they are with you? That will come to the value you bring to the table. Have you worked like that on yourself? And this is the reason why I'm telling you, if you have to be groomed like this. Now, who was supposed to teach you all this? All this was supposed to be taught to you in those classes that you go for. You pay 1 lakh rupees fees over there. What do you get? After 3 months, you get one certificate. That too if you pass. Everything is just technical online and finished. This, they are supposed to teach you. They are not going to teach you. They themselves are not there. How will they teach you? This is the reason I am telling you. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Technical series has started. Watch that. Business series has started. Watch that. Take online counseling. No package. Directly talk to me. Talk to me face to face. 2 hours, 3 hours. Get a full plan done for you that how will I go ahead with my career. And that is the only solution to your problem, that you need to uplift your standard. If you do this one thing, you will be unstoppable. And the only way to do it is to find somebody who's already there at that level and is going to give you those tips, is going to point you in the right direction so that you can be where you deserve to be. Now, I will see you in my next episode. Till then, take care.